Rare find in Jones Valley. 5 BRs/5 BAs 2-story west/basement west/master and garage on main level. Amazing outdoor renovation west/kitchen, fireplace, cabana west/limestone and flagstone walls and finishes. Step into brick-floored sunroom to access main level west/renovated kitchen keeping room, master suite west/large closet and remodeled master bath. Great drop zone, powder bath and laundry off kitchen area. Upstairs, second master plus 2 more BRs/BAs. Basement has large rec room, bedroom and 3/4 bath. Great for in-law or teen suite. All located in one of Southeast Huntsville's most treasured neighborhoods and minutes from Redstone Gate, Valley Bend Shopping and Jones Park.